Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. I have to do a little explaining about the next few videos that you're going to see. I was at a local demolition derby about a week or so ago, and I did so much filming backstage and in the pit areas before the derby started. Well, I ran out of memory card and blew out all my batteries before anything actually was able to happen derby-wise. So the footage that you're going to see is courtesy of Tanya, the lady who runs the derby. She was kind enough to give me this footage to use because, well, I screwed up and didn't bring another memory card, and that's just my bad altogether. But before we get too far into today's video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. Also, you can follow along on Instagram at 612 Motorsports. So the heat that you're going to be watching now is the semi-stock class.
For that thumbs up from Dylan. Once I get that thumbs up from Dylan, then I'm going to give the okay countdown from 5. Hey, we're ready. There goes that thumbs up. Dylan, thank you so much. Here we go, folks. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And then the reverse is going to hit first. It looks like that indicator comes out pretty strong. Once Gets back into it. He wants it in it for both of them if he can. Jeremy Costello, number 88, has a victory 72 record.
Well, like I said, that footage was courtesy of Tanya, the woman who runs the events, and I couldn't thank her enough. Tanya, if you're watching, thank you for the footage, and we'll try to bring a memory card or two extra next time. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.